Like, comment, and
Taco spot,
subscribe.
Panchitos. Let's see. Them tortillas ain't saying too much to me. Yeah, Panchos is not it. That's a no-go. Let's try this horchata, boy. Salud. The horchata review. Fire. What's up, guys? So I'm always down for a new taco spot. Found this place, Panchito. Had a 4.5 on Yelp. I don't know how. Ordered some tacos. They were horrible. Nachos were terrible. The horchata was good. Brought home 2 tortas. They were edible, but I'm not going back over there. The tab came out to almost $70 or over $70 after tip. Yeah, definitely would never want to give anybody a bad review, but the food was bad. The decor wasn't good. We were the only ones there. Service was still slow. Like, it was just bad all the way around. I don't know how this place has a 4.5, but that's my opinion. Check you guys later.